Wow, today is another training, another special class. It is a master class and also for the beginners. So it doesn't matter whether you're a beginner or you've already had prior knowledge about how to fly a drone. I'll be taking you on the journey of knowing how to fly drone professionally. Today we're handling a topic called waypoints. My name is Cyril Odenigbo, your pilot. Yeah, today I'm handling on a topic that I call waypoints. Now, here is my controller. I'm going to run a certain program that will enable this drone take off automatically and then go to a certain, the places I have programmed here, and then afterwards it comes back and lands at this point. So, if you have not experienced it before, I guess today will be the first day, and you will love it. However, before I go on, I just want to let you know that I'll be holding a special course training for those who are interested in going into knowing how to fly drone professionally. For if you want to become a pilot, I'll be taking you on that journey. It's going to be a 1 week become a drone pilot course. So with that, you'll get to know how to fly drone professionally. I've been doing a series of tutorials, both online and physical. Let me first of all put on this drone, and so that I can actually take you on that journey on how to fly drone on a Waypoint Axis. First, now I turn on this drone. Now I click slide to take off. Now it goes. See, let's watch it and see how it goes. Beautiful. Now you see, it goes. That's it. Now the drone is taking another journey. Now, as a matter of fact, you can see that my controller is here. It's actually here. Now, this drone, after performing the task that I've sent it, I'm going to, in a short while, take this camera so you can actually see with the movement of the drone. Now, my aircraft, after performing the task I asked it to perform, is going to come back direct to this spot automatically. Now you see the controller. I will actually share to you what the drone is doing in a short while, so you can actually, I think it's going to be a break for you to experience and see what we're seeing. However, let me bring it closer to you so you get to understand and see if you can. I don't know whether you can see it. Go home. Now it's returning back to where it took off. Now let me drop this thing here so you get to understand that I'm not the one controlling it. It is interesting to know how to fly a drone and become a drone pilot. Not just the ordinary drone pilots, or the drone that people fly, just take it up, down and all of that. This time you have to be very professional to know the thing that will make you become a different pilot from the other. All right, this drone is coming back to the place it took off. Do remember, this point is where it left from, and then it's coming back to that same point. Now let's watch and see. Yeah. All right. You're welcome. All right, that's it. Back. Well, now you see, there's a need for you to come for my training. My name is Cyril Odenigbo. Let me show you what my drone has seen. You ready? All right. I bet you will love it. Enjoy. Wow! You see, there are a lot of things to know about this. Well, it's a privilege to actually be the one to put it through on how these things will be going on. However, we have actually set out a date for this special course, special training, which is coming on 20th September, which is next month. Now, if you're interested in joining this training, this class, you're going to get a link. You just click to join, so you can actually fill your interest, fill your name and your address. Next thing is just get ready for the training. Now the training is going to happen in Enugu. We have two ways of admission. You have the online and you have one-on-one. So aside from that, you also have, during the training, you also have online training and also one-on-one. Online, for instance, if you're not within Nigeria or you're very far away, you probably may not have access to, access to coming to where we are in Enugu, Magnus Film Academy. You can actually be wherever you are and then get the training. Another one is one-on-one with me. I'm going to take you on that journey to get to know how this drone works and how well you can turn this thing into a gold mine.